Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes on a pan. Start by gathering your ingredients: 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. A good non-stick pan or a well-seasoned cast iron skillet works wonders for perfect pancakes. Now let's make the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so a few small lumps are actually a good sign of a tender batter. It's time to cook. Heat your pan over medium-low heat. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a light spray of cooking oil. Once hot, pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook the other side until golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious homemade pancakes are ready. Serve them warm, stacked high, and topped with your favorite accompaniments. Classic maple syrup is always a winner, but don't hesitate to try fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. These simple, fluffy treats are perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch, bringing joy to any morning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.